Hello all, my name is Mohan, and in this video I will be showing you how to hide a program from uninstall panel without actually uninstalling it from your PC. Let us consider a sample software that we want to remove from control panel. I have opened uninstall panel. Let us consider that we want to remove this particular program called as Synfig Studio from our uninstall panel. Now what I'm going to do is I'll close the uninstall panel. I'll go to registry edit and let me go to the main folder and I'll use search for that particular program. The registry editor is trying to find that particular keyword. If you don't find it at first attempt, then you can click on F3, click on F3 again, click on F3 again, keep clicking on F3 until you find this particular key in a folder called as uninstall. Okay, now you see here we have a folder called as uninstall. Inside that we have a key called as Synfig Studio. Now what we need to do in order to hide our program from uninstall panel, it's very simple. All you need to do is just double click on display name and delete it. Okay, and click on OK, and then just go to view and say refresh. Okay, and close registry edit. Now I'm going to open uninstall panel and let us see if that particular program is still there here. You see here, it's not there. So this is how you remove a program or you hide a program from uninstall panel. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like the trick, please click on like button and subscribe for more videos.